Okay, lesson 5-6, Algebra 1 Honors. Lesson 5-6, you really already know how to do. I want to make only a couple of points here, so this will be a very short videotape, okay? In lesson 5-6, what you're going to learn to do is something like the following. Take x plus 6, for example, and square the whole binomial, okay? Now, let me make a point, because this is what I have seen students do time and time and time again. Because I guess they get in a hurry and they want this to happen. Okay? They'll do something like, they'll square the x, and they'll square the 6 and get 36 and say, that's my answer. No, 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 no. No. That's fast, but that's also wrong. Okay? So don't get in a hurry. Okay? And let me just show you why you cannot do that. Let's do it with numbers. If you can't do something with numbers, you cannot do it with letters, with variables. Say, if we had 9 plus 3. Okay? So I'm using two numbers instead of a variable and a number. If I can't do it with this, I can't certainly do it with that. Okay, so 9 plus 3 squared. Well, let's figure out what we know that to be. Do what's in parentheses first. 9 plus 3, that's pretty simple, that's 12. Square 12. You either know that or you punch it into your calculator, that's 144. Okay? Now, what I've seen many, many, many times people want to do is to square the 9 and square the 3 and then add it together and they think, oh, that's the correct answer. Wrong. 9 squared here is 81 plus 3 squared here is 9. 81 plus 9 is 90, and looky, those two numbers are not the same thing. We know this is correct because we know 9 plus 3, which we have to do first, is 12, and 12 times 12 is 144. This is wrong. Okay? You cannot reach into the parentheses and square the individual items. It is wrong. Now, if you think about what exponents mean, you have all the skills already that you need to do this problem correctly, or any problem like it. All you have to do here is stop and think, what does that 2 mean? That 2 means I have 2 of this quantity, 2 of that base, those parentheses there, multiplied together. Okay, so I make 2 sets of parentheses because that's what the 2 means. That's the exponent, this is your base. I have 2 of those bases multiplied together. Now, what's in each base? X plus 6. Oh, and this problem looks very familiar, doesn't it? This is just a FOIL problem. Okay? So now I draw my little smiley face. X times x, that's my first, x squared. Outer, that's the guy's chin. X times positive 6 plus 6x. It's outer. Okay? Inner, there's his mouth. There's his tooth. Positive 6 times x, another plus 6x. And then last, close his head up there. Positive 6 times positive 6 plus 36. Only like terms are right here. So my final answer is x squared plus 12x plus 36. Okay? That's all you need to know to square a binomial. Okay? Now, if you want to memorize the pattern that your book teaches you and maybe skip one step here, okay, that'll make it a little bit faster. Your book tells you that if you have this, okay, then it's going to be a plus b times a plus b. But they tell you can jump to a squared plus 2 times a times b plus b squared. Okay? And that's fine, because if you come back over here and you put an x in for a, right, and a 6 in for b, you're going to get the same answer we got here. So really the only thing you saved is combining the two terms here.
A minus B squared.
And then A minus B is, you're simply going to have a minus here and a plus here, okay? But if you just remember that this, make 2 copies of what's in parentheses and FOIL it. You don't have to memorize any of the other patterns. FOILing is very generic. It works on almost any 2 binomials that you want to multiply, okay? And that's all there is to lesson 5-6.